94110.
The zip code is 94110. All the mail trucks in Umi City have zip codes on them too. We just need to find the mail truck with the same zip code as the package. Umi friend, look at the numbers on this truck. What numbers do you see?
1, 1, 2, 2, 3.
1, 2, 2, 3. Are the numbers on the truck the same as the numbers on our package?
Oh no!
No, those aren't the same numbers. We're looking for 94110. Now let's check the next truck. Are the numbers on that truck the same as the numbers on our package?
Dang it!
No, we're looking for 94110. Now let's check this truck. Are the numbers on this truck the same as the numbers on our package?
Alright!
Yeah!